Alkenes. We have already done alkanes. The general formula or generic formula is CnH2n only. Alkanes have CnH2n plus 2. That we already discussed in the first class. Now CnH2n only for alkenes. In alkenes, the first member is methane, CH4. Methane, ethane, propane, like this we have done the methane, ethane, CH6, like this we have done. But in alkene series, the first member is ethane only. The first member is what? Ethane. Not methane, ethane. Next member will be propene. Next, butene, pentene, and so on. Hexene, heptene, octene, nonene, decene, like this. CnH2n series, ethene. Why in ethene there are 2 carbon atoms only? Why methane does not come? Because ethene, eth means, I told you, a set of 2 carbon, eth over. What about ene? Ene means double bond. Ene, single bond. Ene, double bond. Wine, triple bond. So now eth I have written. Eth means a set of 2 carbon. That means jointed 2 carbon atoms are written. Then ene means double bond. So for ene, you make it double. That's all. First step over eth, then second step ene. So ethane is ready. But there are 2 formaldehyde steps. I already told in the first class. There are 2 formaldehyde steps. 1 formaldehyde step. Around each carbon there should be 4 bonds. For equalizing the 4 valency, the 2 bond already is written. Only 1 is allowed. Here 1 more is allowed. So total 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Corresponding to 4 valency. Say here the place is empty, so we can put 1 more. Like this, don't think. The 4 bonds are already over around each carbon atoms. So here also the first formal step is not completed. Here also you should put 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. That means sometimes, sir, we can write like this. Anywhere you can put, no problem. Okay, but there should be 4 bond only. So for uniformity, I have written like this. CH2 double. So now first formal step is over. Around each carbon atom there are 4 bonds. It is completed. The second formal step, just put H atoms. Fill up with H atoms. That's all. So this is the bonding structure of ethene. So how many, sometimes in ethene, how many CC double bond, CC bond is present? CC bond means C double bond C, only 1. 1 and 2. How many CH bonds are present in ethene? No problem. CH, 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 CH. There are 4 into CH bond. That's all. In ethene, there are 1 C double bond C, 4 into CH bonds. So totally how many bonds are present in ethene? There will be questions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many how many double bond is present in ethene? Only 1. This one. But up last class I told for 2 bond, one is sigma bond, the other one is pi bond. Sigma bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. Wherever you put single bond, it is sigma bond. But more than 1, it is what? The double bond is there. 1 bond is pi, 1 bond is sigma. In the direction of sigma bond only, pi bond will come. 1 more pi bond is allowed in carbon compounds. There are 3 bonds totally. One is sigma, other one is pi, other one is pi. So 2 pi bonds. So here 1 sigma bond, 1 pi bond. Anyway, ethane is more reactive than ethene. Sorry, ethene is more reactive than ethane because of the pi bond present. So ethene is ready. This is the bonding structure of ethene. What about condensed structure? Condensed structure means compressed structure. How? You put this carbon in. How many H atoms are bonded to CH, CH? Compress it, CH2. One bond, two bonds are inside only. It is compressed. Then put double bond. Then here carbon atoms. Then here also the two CH bond, CH bond. Here one bond, two bond, no, everything are condensed CH2. That means pressed to form CH2. This is pressed to CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. Ethene. Let us pass on to propene. Propene. Here two steps. I told you. First step, prop as usual. Prop means a set of three carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Three carbon atoms. Prop over. What about ene? Ene means double bond. Ene means everywhere single bond. But ene means only one double bond. Where you want to put? Either here or here. Make it double. So we'll be very happy to put all the carbon atoms are bonded with the double. Don't think like this. Ene means only one double bond. But ene means everywhere single bond. That is the meaning. So prop is over by writing three carbon atoms. A set of three carbon atoms, prop is over. What about ene? Ene means a double bond. Either you put double bond here or don't want, you can put here. It is your wish. Okay, so propene is over. But there are two formality steps. One formality step is wherever you put carbon atom, it should be filled with four bonds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four bonds are over. So this carbon is satisfied with four valencies. What about here? This carbon is not satisfied with four valency. 1, 2, 3 bond only. So either in the top or down. You can put one bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this second carbon atom also is satisfied with four bonds. What about this one? 2, no? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the carbon atoms are satisfied. According to you, this first formality step is over. Last, second formality step. Wherever you put single bond, just fill up with H atoms. This is systematic method. So bonding structure is ready. Here there will be questions. How many CC bond is present in propane? How will answer? Only one. CC bond. How many CC double bond is present? Only one. CC double bond. Double bond connecting two carbon atoms. So CC double bond. CC single bond. How many CH bond are present in propene? So CH, 3 over, CH 4, CH 5, here what? CH 6. 6 CH bond are present in propane. So in the 10th standard, there will be a lot of questions like this only. How many CC double bond? How many CC single bond? How many CH bonds? Like this there will be questions. So you can thorough with this bond. Write the bonding structure of propane. You can write like this. Then write the content structure of propane. The same compound. How to write content structures? You put carbon atom here. 1, 2, 3 H atoms are compressed. So you can write CH3. This means 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bonds are inside only. What about here? Just to put this bond as it is. What about this CH press? Compress it. CH. Either double bond. That means carbon single bond, double bond, triple bond, just to show it. Either CH bond only or compress. CH. So C H atoms. CH2. So propane is ready. What about butene? You can ask, one propene shall I write? One propene is also correct, but no need to write one propene, because if double one here, that is also one propene. So therefore, propene, there is no choice. propane only. Next, butene. Butene, how to write? First you write but. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. But is ready. Okay. What about ene? Ene means double bond. Put one double bond. You can ask, sir, shall I put here double bond? Here there is no direction. Therefore, butene means understood. It is one butene only. First carbon only double bond you should put. Butene actually it is one butene. Okay. There will be two butene is also there. I will tell afterwards. First one butene. But 4 carbon. 4 carbon are written. What about ene? Double bond. Double bond. Make it double in the first carbon. Don't put another double bond. It will become triple. So butene is over. Then there are two formaldehyde step. One formaldehyde step. Just to fill up with atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Only 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Fill up with atoms. Okay. So the bonding structure is ready. Here also there will be questions. How many CC bond is present? After seeing this one, you can easily understand how many CC bond. 1 into C double bond C. How many CC single bond? How many CC double bond? 1 into CC double bond. Okay, this is. How many CC single bond? C, CC, CC. That means what? 2 into CC bond, single bonds. How many CH bond? CH bond, CH bond, CH bond, CH bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into CH bond. Okay. This many bonds are present in this part between. How many pi bond are present? How many pi bonds are present in between? No problem, 1 pi bond. Because all are sigma bonds. Single bonds are all sigma bonds. 1 pi bond. The reactivity is decided by the extra bond. That is pi bond only. After the 11th standard, you will be knowing this one more. So, what about the condensed structure? Condensed structure, how to write? For butene, CH2, condense, because you will be expert now, CH2, okay, double bond, this one, CH only condense, CH, then single bond, you know what, CH2, this one, here, single bond, this single bond only I have written here, single bond, then you write CH3, so, one butene is ready. R-butene. One butene is also known as what? Butene. Now, 2-butene. 2-butene or but-2-ene. We can split but and ene. In between the two comes. There are two joint, 1, 2. Here only one joint. This is a difference. 2-butene, 2-butene and what? But-2-ene. If you omit this one, everything you remove it completely, put 2-butene. All are same. How to write? First write but. 1, 2, 3, 4. But is over. Then what? Ene. Ene means I have already written double bond. Wine, triple bond. Ene, single bond. Ene, where you have to put? The direction is given. Carbon number 2. So put ene, that means put double bond in carbon number 2. 1, 2. Just to put here. Double bond. First you have written but. Okay, 4 carbon you have written. Then ene. Ene means double bond. Where you have to put? Carbon number 2. 1, 2. Just to put. Ene is over. So all steps are over. Then you are coming to the formaldehyde step. First formaldehyde step, wherever you write the carbon atoms, just to fill up with H atoms. Afterwards, first is formaldehyde step, put single one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 valencies are satisfied. Here 1, 2, 3 only. 1 is not satisfied. Now put one single one. Either So 1, 2 is a 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds are satisfied. Here 4 bonds are satisfied. Second formal step is engineering. Just to put H atoms. The bonding structures are ready for 2-butene. 1, 2. Double bond start from carbon 2. From right to left if you count also. 1, carbon 2. So the double bond start from carbon number 2. So it is touching the third carbon. Don't worry. Start in left to right if you go. 1, 2. The double bond start from second carbon atom. Here also 1, 2. The double bond start from second carbon atoms. Because all are same. So 2-butene is ready. How many CC double bond is present? 1 into CC double bond, this one. How many CC bond? CC bond, CC bond. 2 into CC bond are present. How many CH bond? CH, 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 CH. How many CH bond? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into CH bond are present into butane. Okay, everything over. But how to write condensator? Put carbon atom, 3 H atoms are compressed. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bonds are inside. Compressed form. Then single bond, the single bond I written. Either CH, double bond, CH, either single bond, either CH3. Okay, so 2-butene is ready. Like this, you can make all alkene. Let us pass on to alkynes. Before that, the general formula, whether it is telling or not, we will see. Suppose butane C4H8, whether it is possible or not, correct, because CnH2n. Just to see, N means for but 4, C4 2 into H 2 into 4, so C4H8. Butane, pentane C5H, just double 10. Hexane, pentene C5H10. Hexene C6H12. Butene, like this only, just double it, C4. How to identify the general formula? Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Easy to remember, alkene. Everywhere you put CnH2n, CnH2n, CnH2n. Okay? In the left side, plus 2. Extreme right side, minus 2. Extreme right side, minus 2. So CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2. So you can easily remember it. So coming to alkyne. Alkyne, the formula is CnH2n minus 2. After we will see. The first alkyne is ethane. Why ethene? Ethene needs 2 carbon minimum. Ethane needs 2 carbon minimum. Because the triple bond and the double bond joined by 2 carbon atoms. So therefore, first member is ethene in alkene series. In alkyne series, ethane. First alkyne is ethane only. Ethane how to write? Then propane, butane and so on. Ethane how to write? You put ethane, just split it. Eth means only carbon to carbon. What about wine? Wine means a triple bond. Make it triple. Make it triple. Wine is also over. By writing 2 carbon atoms, joined 2 carbon atoms, eth over. Okay. By wine you should write means make it triple. That's all. Ethane is over. There are 2 formal steps. What formal step? So for around each carbon there will be 4 bond. 1 is allowed. 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Here also 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. First formal step over. Second formal step, fill up with H atoms. That's all. This is the bonding structure. Bonding structure of ethane. Now how to write condensator? CH, press it. CH. Here bond inside. Then triple bond. then what? CH. Or CH, triple bond CH. For convenience, you can write like this also. No problem. Ethane is over. Okay. Sometimes write the electronic structure of ethane. Write the electronic structures. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of what? Ethane. For that you need bonding structure of ethane, not condensed structure. In condensed structure you will be mistaken. So first you write the bonding structure of ethane. Instead of one bond, 2 dot, 2 electrons. Instead of one bond, 2 dot. Instead of another bond, 2 dot, 2 electrons. Instead of third bond, 1 electrons. Here, instead of one bond, 2 dot. 2 dot means 2 electrons. So this is the electron dot structure or Lewis structure of ethane. Like this you can write. Let us pass on to propane. Propane. Just split prop. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3. Jointed 3 carbon atoms. Sometimes prop. 1, 2. Like this don't write. Prop means jointed 3 carbon atoms. But means jointed 4 carbon atoms. Prop. A set of 3 carbon atoms. That is jointed carbon atoms I written. Prop. What about wine? Wine means triple bond second step. Triple bond, where you have to put? I told you, for alkenes rules the same thing. So, ene means only one double bond. Wine means only one triple bond. Ane means everywhere single bond. Here wine means only one triple bond. You will select this carbon or this carbon, it is your wish. Just to put triple bond. So, 2 steps over. Then coming to formality step, first formality step, there will be 4 bond around each carbon atoms. 3 bond already present, now 1. 3 plus 1, 4, already over. 1, 2, 3, 4, everything over. So first formal step are over. Second formal step, fill H atoms, fill up with H atoms. That's all. So this is a bonding structure of propane. What is the condensed structure? CH, triple bond, because H atoms compressed. C. Now we can write CH3. So propane is ready. Coming to 2-pentane or pent 2-wine. How to write? If you know the structures very well, it will be easy for you. For understanding pent, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pente. What about wine? Wine means triple bond. Triple bond you have to put. Just to see the direction. Carbon 2, 1, 2. Otherwise 1, 2. So carbon 2 is ready to accept that wine. Wine means a triple bond. That's all. Pent, first I have written pent. Then wine means a triple bond. The triple bond is put in the second carbon atom. Make it triple. That's all. Everything over. Then 2 formal step, because everything is practiced for you. But formal step, wherever you write the carbon atom, just fill up with 4 bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 already satisfied. Here 3 plus 1, 4 already satisfied. No need to touch. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here only 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill up with H atoms. That's all. 2-pentane is ready. So in alkane series, the pentane is having the formula CnH2n minus 2. I told you no? How to write? N means 5. Whether the carbon atoms and H atoms are tallied or not, you can easily see. C5 H2 into 5 minus 2. How much? C5 H 8. C5 H8. How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5 is tallied. The H at H8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. C5 H8. Anyway, the generic formula is tallied with what? Pentane. So then cycloalkane. So in cycloalkane, the first member is cyclopropane. How to write this structure? Cyclopropane. Propane we know. Last class you know propane, butane, everything written in a straight line. But here cyclopropane, just split. Cycloprop. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3. This is prop. But cycloprop 1, 2, 3. Make it cycle. Make it one ring. This is called cycloprop. If you write in open stitches, prop, cycloprop, make it ring. So 1, 2, 3, cycloprop. What about N? N is already written. Single bond, single bond, single bond. No problem. Everything over. But there are two formal steps. What formal step you know already? Around each carbon there will be 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything over. First formal step is over. Second formal step, as usual, just fill up with adjectives. So everything is ready. So this is the cyclopropane bonding structures. How many CC bond are present in cyclopropane? CC bond, CC1, CC1, 3. 3 into CC bond are present. How many CH bond are present in cyclopropane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into CH bond. Okay, so bonding structure of cyclopropane is ready. What is the content structure of cyclopropane? C. How many H atoms are compressed? CH, compressed. What about here? This carbon bond. This bond only I written here. You put CH2. What about this bond? I written here. You put carbon atom. How many CH? CH bond, CH2. What about this one? CC bond? Like this. So content structure is ready. Content structure is ready for cyclopropane. Here one more rule is there, bond line notation. Bond line notation. The same cyclopropane structures. The content structure, whether it's bonding structure, we can write like this. How many carbon atoms we have? We have cycled to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then CH2, CH2, everything you written, no? For that purpose, we can write like this. Put one triangle. So here, in the corner CH2, CH2, CH2 understood. So bond line notation is easy for cyclopropane. Each corner is understood. CH2, CH2, CH2. Expand the bond line structure of this compound if there is one question. How to write? No problem. Just to put CH2, CH2, CH2. That's all. You can write it easily. Okay, this is bond line notation for cyclopropane. Cyclobutane. 10th level now up to cyclohexane I will write. Then cyclobutane. Okay, cyclobute. How many carbon atoms? 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, bute. This is bute. No. Cyclobute, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If write all the 4 carbon atoms in a straight line, bute. But in a cycle form, it is cyclobute. Cyclobute is ready. What about N? N means single bond. Carbon atoms are connected with single bond. N is satisfied. That's all. Cyclobutane is ready. 2 formality step. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, first formality step is over. Second formality step. Fill up with H atoms. That's all. Cyclobutane is ready. What is the condensation? CH2, 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 single bond, CH2, CH2. Write bond line notation of cyclobutane. Anybody? Just to put. That's all. Each corner is having CH2, 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 CH2. Bond line notation is ready for cyclobutane. Then cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Cyclopent. 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 How many carbon? 1, 2, 3. That's all. One pentagon. Imaginarily, if you write one pentagon, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to I written cyclopentane only. Cyclopent, 5 carbon atoms are pentagonally joined. Then N means single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. Everything is over. As usual, formal list of CH2, 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 CH2. That's all. Cyclopentane is ready. The bond line notation, simply you put one pentagon. Cyclopentane is ready. Last, there is no last. Cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. Here you are supposed to write one hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Cyclohexane. Write the condensate of cyclohexane. CH2, 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 CH2. What is the bond line notation of cyclohexane? You should write like this. That's all. Each corner atom, each corner is having CH2, 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 CH2. Understood? SPAD, bond line notation of cyclohexane. You can easily write CH2, 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 CH2. Okay.